Hey there, herb enthusiasts! Have you ever wondered how to keep that fresh garden aroma alive long after the last harvest? Well, today's your lucky day. I'm here to share some traditional, easy ways to dry herbs right at home. No complicated gadgets required. First things first, why should we dry herbs? Drying not only preserves their delightful flavors, but also saves you money and reduces waste. Imagine having a jar of your homegrown herbs ready to sprinkle on a dish or brew into a tea, even in the dead of winter. Let's dive into the air dry method, shall we? Start by gathering your herbs. I like to use a mix of basil, thyme, and oregano, but you can choose whatever you have on hand. Grab some string or a rubber band and tie the stems together. Just make sure your bundles aren't too thick. Air needs to flow freely around them. Now, for the fun part, hang those bundles upside down in a nice warm dry spot. Think of a coat hanger, a nail on the wall, or even a curtain rod. Just make sure it's a place where they won't get disturbed. You want them to dry without any fuss. If you're drying a larger batch, consider using a drying rack. But don't fret if you don't have one. You can easily spread your herbs out on a cookie sheet or pizza pan. Just remember, patience is key. Time will work its magic. Now here's a little bonus tip for all you gardeners out there. If you want to collect seeds while drying your herbs, simply tie a paper bag over the bundle before you hang it. As the seeds dry and fall, the bag will catch them neatly. How cool is that? Timing is everything, folks. Drying can take anywhere from a few days to 3 weeks, depending on the type of herb and its moisture content. For herbs like rosemary, I recommend stripping the leaves off and spreading them out. Those waxy leaves can trap moisture, so getting them some air is essential. Now, if you're feeling fancy and you have a dehydrator, you can use that too. Just make sure it has temperature control. Set it to the lowest setting to avoid burning those precious herbs. Keep an eye on them though. They can go from perfect to crispy in no time. Okay, so your herbs are all dried out. What's next? It's time to remove the leaves from the stems. For small leaves, just pinch and slide along the stem. For larger leaves, snip them off close to the base. You want to keep things neat and tidy. Now comes the best part, storage. Place your dried herbs in airtight glass jars. Make sure these jars are stored away from direct sunlight to maintain their vibrant color and aromatic scent. You'll thank yourself later when you open a jar and those fresh, earthy scents waft through your kitchen. And there you have it. Drying herbs at home is not just simple, it's incredibly satisfying. Plus, it keeps your kitchen stocked with flavor all year long. If you enjoyed this little herb journey, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you're not already, hit that subscribe button for more homesteading tips. And I want to hear from you. What herbs are you drying this season? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for joining me today. Until next time, happy gardening and herb drying.